Kadam here. Neighbors passing by up there. I'm redoing the open breath technique. This is like my 5th video in a row out here in this freezing cold weather. And boy, have I been using the open breath technique. So the open breath is to reverse stress, is to bring your system into a dilation, open. Your whole system, no matter what you're doing, instantly reflects what you're thinking and feeling, and or both. And most of that will be habitual patterns that we've collected and grounded in over time. It's just reflexive. And so to become conscious, we want to become aware of these natural processes and put them in the position we want them to be that serves us, so that we're not a victim to our lack of understanding of our operating system. So, which is a whole nother fun talk. So what happens is you take a breath all the way in. When you catch yourself contracted, or you're uncomfortable, or you're dealing with something that's not comfortable to deal with, and it's creating a distress in your system in any way, even if you just drank a cup of coffee and your system contracts, this open breath will bring a dilation into your system and open it up. So you breathe all the way in, you breathe out, and breathe in. It doesn't matter what combo or which air hole you breathe through. So you breathe all the way to the top, and you don't lock it off, and you hold it open. And within seconds, your system dilates. Later on, you'll feel this, so it feels like a pulse all the way to your fingertips or through your chest. What it really is your system opening on all levels, vascular. And so at the top, your body will actually tell you to breathe out. It's just, you just feel this time. That moment, you'll know, and you just breathe out. And when you do, you'll notice your chest is really expanded. You can't even breathe out all the way. It'll go about to there, and then you push it all the way out, then let go, and watch what happens. It breathes in by itself, like that, and then you finish and do another one. Hold it open at the top, and then breathe out. Now you're dilated. You've just interrupted a pattern that's deeply ingrained, and you did it on purpose. This gives you an immediate degree of conscious control of the overall system. Whether you have knowledge of all the different aspects yet or not, you just did it. And so you use this all the time, not just once. This is all about becoming conscious and liberated, having actual choice in your life instead of being on automatic with pre-programmed stuff. We want to be in the realization of that you are the owner, operator of this system. It is a specifically designed system. It runs specifically a specific way. And so I am here to share that with you. So, okay, the open breath. I hope that was good enough. I'm going to leave it short. I'll do a more extensive talk about all the interrelated processes a little later on. Okay, take it easy.